The key to understanding this lies in two important concepts: orbital motion and distance. The sun's gravity pulls the planets toward it, just like Earth's gravity pulls objects toward the ground. But the difference is, planets are much farther away from the sun than objects are from Earth. The sun's gravitational force is very strong because it has a lot of mass, about 333,000 times the mass of Earth, but the planets are also far from it. For example, Earth is about 150 million kilometers away from the sun. The reason the planets don't fall into the sun is that they are moving sideways at incredibly high speeds. This sideways motion creates a balance with the sun's gravitational pull, resulting in the planets continuously orbiting the sun, rather than crashing into it. Imagine it like swinging a ball on a string around your head. The string pulls the ball toward your hand, but the ball is moving fast enough sideways that it doesn't fall toward your hand. Instead, it moves in a circle. Similarly, the planets are constantly falling toward the sun due to its gravity, but they also have enough forward velocity to keep missing it, resulting in a stable orbit. Distance is crucial. The gravitational pull between two objects weakens with the square of the distance between them as per Newton's law of gravitation. Since the planets are so far from the sun, they're still affected by its gravity. But that force is weaker than the force Earth exerts on objects close to its surface. Earth's gravity pulls directly downward, making everything fall to the surface. The sun's gravity is weaker at the distances of the planets, so it doesn't pull them into the sun directly, but it still keeps them in orbit around it. Planets have a constant speed in their orbits, depending on their distance from the sun. They're also in a state of free fall, constantly accelerating toward the sun because of gravity. But because of their speed, they're always moving forward, preventing them from crashing into the sun. This balance between the sun's pull and the planet's inertia is what keeps the planets in orbit. If the planets were to stop moving sideways, they would indeed fall into the sun. But because they are constantly in motion, they keep orbiting, maintaining a constant balance between their forward motion and the gravitational pull of the sun. In short, gravity pulls planets toward the sun, but their high orbital velocity keeps them from falling into it, causing them to fall around the sun instead. This is why the planets remain in orbit rather than crashing down.